How to change your eBay username. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from The Solution Guy. In this guide video, I will show you the way on how you can change the username for your eBay account. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now first of all, I actually found that you will not be able to change the username of eBay from within the eBay application, because as you can see, even if I go to my profile tab over here, I only have the option to go ahead and then change my profile picture but not my username. So in order to change our username on eBay, we have to simply launch and log into eBay using our browser. So open up your browser and then go to this URL, for which I will leave the link in the description box, which is accountsettings.ebay.com/profile. So go to www.accountsettings.ebay.com/profile and hit the OK button. Now you might actually need to log into your account if you're using it for the first time on your browser, so make sure that you're also logged into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see this kind of interface which says personal information, and you can see username over here. Now what I will do is simply tap on this little edit button next to it which says username. So just tap on the edit button, and over here you can simply enter the username for your eBay account. So I will just go ahead and enter my new username over here. So let me just go ahead and then choose a username for my eBay account. Once I enter my desired username, you can see if you change the username, you won't be able to modify it for 30 days again. So be careful on this one. Once you've done so, just tap on the save button that you see. As soon as you tap on the save button, we have successfully changed our eBay account's username. But all we need to do is we just need to go ahead and then enter our password. So just go ahead and then enter your password in this particular case. And now what you can do is you can see that we have successfully changed our eBay account's username. And this is how you can change your username on eBay. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.